Hello guys, welcome to your fifth HTML tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about hyperlinks and images. Yes. So with less talk, let's just jump right into it. So here is the line of code I'm going to be using today, and if you are confused in any way, let me know in the comment section, and if you need this line of code, then visit my site to lay down your request and I'll send it right to your email. Alright, hyperlinks and images. Hyperlinks can be text, an image, or anything at all that helps to link a web page to another when clicked on. Now, to add a hyperlink in your website or web page, all you need is this tag right here. This tag with href. I think the href stands for like hyperlink reference, something like that. Then the name of the site, the web page or the website I want to put to link to, then close it with your a tag, closing a tag. That's just basically hyperlinks. Now let me show you how our web page looks like. Look at it here. Here are hyperlinks. Now let's click this. Boom. Takes us right to tech mindset. Now let me show you how this tech mindset hyperlink was added. Let's go to photo. Now created by, then put your a tag, hyperlink reference, https, that is the location, the address of techmindset.ga. Then you put the text. This text is going to, normally this tech mindset is not going to be shown, rather is the text that you put there. For example, let's change this to jQuery and save. Let's go back. See, this text changes to jQuery, and when you click, it still goes to tech mindset because that is the hyperlink, but the text is what is going to be shown. So let's change our thing back to tech mindset. Web page. Save. Refresh. See? Take myself web page. Click this HTML tutorial. See? This is a part of the web page in Take Mindset. Where you see Take Mindset HTML tutorial. Alright guys, so that is it for hyperlinks. Now images. For you to add an image, you also need an image tag, and that is img, this right here. When you're using an image tag, you use as srs to locate your image, just something like that, and the name of the image. Now I typed the name of the image exactly because it's located at the same place where my web page is. The same place. When it's located at the same place, all you have to do is just type the name of the image and the extension name. Mine is png, yours can be jpg or anyone, so let's go with that. Then this out is just for reading sake, it's not that important, but your height and width is just for your size. That's if I increase the height and width, you see that this image here will change. So let's just go ahead and change this height and width to see how it affects it. Let's put 100, save, and go back and refresh. You see, now let's change the width to 100 or so. And refresh. That's it. Alright guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Seriously? Seriously, I no blame you.